The big four banks will face a fresh investigation into potential price gouging after failing to pass on repeated interest rate cuts in full.
Live now to political reporter Eliza Edwards, who joins us in Canberra. Eliza, what will be the focus of this new probe?
Well, different to the Royal Commission, that's for sure. The Treasurer has asked the ACCC to investigate the residential mortgage prices set by the big four banks and smaller lenders and why the decision was made not to pass on the full benefit from 3 rate cuts by the Reserve Bank so far this year. Josh Frydenberg says there needs to be more transparency around pricing practices.
I think, Laura, the Australian people are sick and tired of the merry dance where the Reserve Bank reduces the cash rate, the politicians and the bank itself call on the big four to pass on the rate cuts to their customers, and that advice is ignored. And ultimately, it's the consumers who are worse off.
If the RBA's rate cuts had been passed on to customers in full, someone on a $400,000 mortgage would have saved $500 in interest payments a year. The government hasn't ruled out policy changes or regulation to crack down on the banks and keep them in line, but won't be increasing the banking levy. Laura and Pete.